go.
Look at GC.
After lunch, we're gonna hit some rain. Not sure. I don't have any AC. Hello, everyone. Welcome to GT Rally. Enjoy. So today is day one of GT1. We're headed to Porsche South Orlando right now to meet up with everybody. Guys, we got a crazy day ahead of us. Everybody, so you guys don't know me, my name is Matt. I have the blue C8 out there.
Paragon.
This is Frankie. He's got the yellow GT3RS out there. The girls that helped register you guys in today, we got Kimmy and Alex, and then we have JC, our photographer, videographer. If you guys want to be in the video and have some pictures to send you guys at the end of the rally, stick around him. He'll be in the X3M or the Huracan, or Alright guys, we just got to our first stop. We got stopping at Bucees. We got the two Camaros and the C8. I'm gonna run over here, try to get footage of everybody else coming in. Alright, here they come guys, here they come. First up, we got a Mustang. We got a C8, AMG. Woo-hoo-hoo. We got V's new yellow C8. There he is. We got Joe in the Huracan. Very nice. We got the V with his white C8, a couple BMWs back there. Got Jasenia in her GLS 63 AMG. Got the Rubicon. There they go. There they go. There's Mike. Woo! And Jasenia! There we go. The Beamer. Another Beamer. Don't give me right. No, the real thing on the side. Alright, we had a McLaren Senna just show up. This thing is sick! Woo! Who that? Huh? Who that? That's mine. It's that YouTube money right there. That thing is nice. Woo! That's sick.
Try to make it out alive. You ain't seen nothing like this. You ain't seen nothing like this. You ain't seen nothing. You ain't seen nothing like this. Keep your eyes on me. I'm electric. Watch out. You ain't seen nothing like this. You ain't seen nothing like this. You ain't seen nothing. You ain't seen nothing like this. You ain't seen nothing.
Say hi, say hi, say hi. But he's been nice enough to raffle off a full detail.
Okay, inside and out a wax.
Inside out detail and a wax. So everybody got a ticket? You want to pick who you're gonna detail?
Yeah.
Alright. Alright, here we go.
That's me.
How funny would it be though? Yeah.
375 3653.
3653.
That's me.
No, it's not.
I kid you not.
Hey, pick 7 numbers so I can go play right now. Now, 2 of these things, they're actually rear covers for the skate Corvette. And on my YouTube channel, I said the first 2 skates inside of the rally are going to get these. So, B, there you are, sir. And Hector, there you are.